This tutorial will show you some basic things of Python environment. If you are initial uh, in the Python environment, then you should follow these steps that will help you. So in my laptop I have already installed Miniconda, so therefore I open my Miniconda console, and then first of all you can check your conda environment, list of conda environment, by using conda env list. So in my conda console I have 4 environment. First one is base, second one is ULAID, and third one is libban. Basically this the separate environment is quite better. Want to build a new model, then you should try create a new environment, and then you install all the related package for this model. So therefore I try to first create a new conda environment with specific Python version. So conda create in for name. So let's add name x6 and then put Python version 3.11.5. Now so following package should be installed. For that, if you yes, then they are ready to install the following package. Okay, no, it is finished. So let's check whether it is installed or not. Sorry, install. Yes, this access environment is already created. You can also check this environment physically, like in your C drive. So first you open folder and then go local C user administrator. In my case I am not change my name, that's why it's showing is administrator, and then go Miniconda, then will go environment. So this is the XX environment, conda environment. So after that we should activate this environment, conda active xxx. Okay, fine, it is activate. Also check Python version, yes, 3.115 is installed. Okay, quite. Actually I have no package in my environment. So for this environment you should install a Jupyter notebook. Conda install Jupyter. conda install Jupyter. If you enter, then it also automatically install. So in my cases I do not install it. So now if you want to create a new environment as same like base environment, so you should first conda create n and then your environment name, then create a name yyyy, then clone like base. This is my base environment, therefore I put this name as base. So if you enter this new environment will create based on the same as like base environment. Okay, now if you want to remove a environment from your conda list, so what should you do? First of all, which environment you want to remove, this environment should not be activated. So in my cases I want to remove this XX environment, so environment conda activate this. So then you can try to remove the XX environment. Conda yes, I want to remove. Okay, remove. So let's check whether it is removed or not. Yes, the excess environment is removed from your environment. Also you can check physically. Okay, you can delete from here.